Welcome to your guide to a zero-waste daily bathroom routine for Indian homes. Let's save money and our planet. Reducing plastic waste and chemical products in your bathroom is easier than you think. It's good for your wallet and the earth. Let's start with simple swaps for a sustainable shower. Small changes can make a big difference. Replace plastic shampoo and conditioner bottles with eco-friendly shampoo bars. They are compact, effective, and free of plastic. Switch to natural loofahs or reusable scrubbers instead of synthetic ones. They are biodegradable and gentle on your skin. Next up, eco-friendly oral care for a healthier smile and a happier planet. Opt for bamboo toothbrushes as a fantastic plastic alternative. They are biodegradable and just as effective. Consider making your own DIY toothpaste or tooth powder. It's a simple, affordable way to reduce packaging. Let's explore sustainable skincare and hair care practices that are good for you and the environment. Swap disposable cotton pads for reusable ones for makeup removal. They are washable and can be used countless times. Whip up your own DIY facial cleansers and moisturizers using natural ingredients. Customize them to your skin's needs. Now, let's talk about general waste reduction in the bathroom, tackling everyday items you might not even consider. Consider composting organic waste, like hair and nail clippings. It's a small step that significantly reduces landfill waste. Minimize water usage in your daily routines by turning off the faucet while brushing your teeth or soaping up in the shower. You don't need to break the bank to go zero waste. There are plenty of affordable alternatives and DIYs. Showcase easy DIY recipes for common bathroom products like body scrubs, hair masks, and even cleaning solutions. Tips for transitioning gradually to zero waste. Start with one swap at a time and celebrate every small victory. It's time to take action. Start your zero waste journey today. Remember, shampoo bars, bamboo toothbrushes, natural loofahs, reusable cotton pads, and DIY products are your new best friends. Every little step counts. Encourage viewers to take the first step towards a more sustainable and conscious lifestyle. You've got this.